Hello students, welcome back in the Rose project. I am Mital Patil from Sadguru Gadge Maharaj College, Karad, which is a branch of Rayat Shikshan Sanstha. This lecture is conducted by Rayat Online School Education Project, that is Rose project. This is our lecture number 4 from the chapter Differential Equation and which is based on method of substitution. During last lecture, we were studied the point variable separable form, but some examples do not converted into the variable separable form, and such examples are solved by method of substitution. Okay, start the new point method of substitution. First we see what is the method of substitution. Some differential equations which are not in the variable separable form can be reduced to variable separable form by appropriate substitution. It means that some differential equations are not in the form of variable separable form. So, in this example, we use the substitution. In the question papers, substitutions are expected to be given, that is, in board exam they give us the substitutions for the example, but in the CET they do not give us the substitution for the examples. The following examples will make the procedure clear. Now see some examples on the substitution. First example is reduce the differential equation 1 plus dy by dx is equal to cosec of x plus y to the separated variable form and hence find the general solution. Let us start the solution. First we write the given differential equation, and the given differential equation is 1 plus dy by dx is equal to cosec of x plus y. This is our equation number 1. Students, this example we do not convert it into the variable separable form directly, but in this example there is a term x and y which is enclosed in bracket. If we substitute our x plus y into new variable, then we convert the example into the variable separable form. So, we use substitution method here. Put x plus y is equal to u. On differentiating with respect to x, derivative of x is a 1 plus derivative of y is a dy by dx is equal to derivative of u is a du by dx. Therefore, given differential equation becomes du by dx is equal to cosec u. Now, we take the terms of a u on LHS and terms of a x on RHS. So, we get du divided by cosec u is equal to dx. We know that 1 upon cosec x is equal to sin x. So, 1 upon cosec u is equal to sin u. Therefore, sin u into du is equal to dx. This is our variable separable form. On integrating both sides, we get integration of sin u du is equal to integration of dx. We know that integration of sin x dx is a minus cos x and integration of 1 dx is x. Therefore, integration of sin u du is minus cos u is equal to x plus c. C is the constant of integration. Therefore, x plus cos u plus c is equal to 0. But our example in the form of x and y, but the solution in the form of u. So, we resubstitute the value of u, we get x plus cos of x plus y plus c is equal to 0 since u is equal to x plus y. This is our required general solution. Next example is reduce the differential equation dy by dx equal to 4x plus y plus 1 whole bracket square to the separated variable form and hence find the general solution. Let's start the solution. First, we write the given differential equation, and the given differential equation is dy by dx equal to 4x plus y plus 1 whole bracket square, which is our equation number first. This example can't convert it into the variable separable form directly, since the term of x and y, that is 4x plus y plus 1, it is enclosed in bracket. Therefore, we use substitution method here. If we substitute for 4x plus y plus 1 is equal to another variable, then we convert into the variable separable form easily. Put 4x plus y plus 1 is equal to u. On differentiating with respect to x, we get 4 as it is derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx, and derivative of 1 is 0 is equal to derivative of u is du by dx, that is 4 plus dy by dx is equal to du by dx. Now we take the term 4 on the RHS, we get dy by dx equal to du by dx minus 4. We use the value of dy by dx and 4x plus y plus 1 in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes du by dx minus 4 is equal to u square. Now, we take the term 4 on the RHS, we get du by dx is equal to u square plus 4. Now, we take the terms of u in the LHS and the terms of x in the RHS. Therefore, du divided by u square plus 4 is equal to dx. This is our variable separable form. On integrating both sides, we get integration of du divided by u square plus 4 can be written in the form of 2 square is equal to integration of dx. We know that the formula integration of 1 upon x square plus a square is equal to 1 upon a into tan inverse of x upon a, and integration of 1 dx is equal to x. Therefore, 1 upon 2 into tan inverse of u divided by 2 is equal to x plus c1, where c1 is a constant of integration. On multiplying both sides by 2, we get tan inverse of u divided by 2 is equal to 2x plus 2 c1. We resubstitute the value of u as 4x plus y plus 1, and the value of 2c1 is a c. C is a constant of integration. We know that 2 is a constant, c1 is a constant, therefore 2c1 is again a constant. So, we write c for 2c1. Also, we resubstitute the value of u as 4x plus y plus 1. In this equation, we get tan inverse of 4x plus y plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 2x plus c. This is the required general solution. Students, I hope you understood the method of substitution in differential equation very clearly. Thank you for watching the video till the end.